This is the Anatomy Lab Venipuncture Pad, a wearable injection pad created to allow students to accurately practice localizing and injecting veins on the lower arm. It can accurately simulate the experience of vein rollover, produce a realistic backflow of water or simulated blood injected into the syringe, create a realistic pop when properly injected, and features 2 different sized veins at the same depth for variable difficulty. Our proprietary simulated skin creates less drag when accessing veins, ensuring students can use this model hundreds of times before a replacement pad is needed. The kit includes everything students need to learn the basics of venipuncture, including a venipuncture pad, 5 ml syringe, scalp needle, spare thin vein, spare thick vein, spare skin, an operation manual, and a generous 1-year warranty. This simple yet effective, durable, and realistic wearable venipuncture pad allows students at all experience levels to hone their venipuncture skills. The Anatomy Lab Venipuncture Pad, available only from Anatomy Warehouse.